Want to snag that new game on Epic, but all you have is a Visa gift card? Let's get that added to your account right now. First, fire up the Epic Games launcher and click on your account icon in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Manage Account. This will open your Epic Games account page in your web browser. Click on Payment Methods. You'll see a list of your current payment methods, if any. Now, click on Add Payment Method. Choose Credit, Debit Card. This is where you'll enter your Visa gift card information. Enter the full 16-digit card number from your Visa gift card into the card number field. Then, carefully enter the expiration date printed on the card. Finally, enter the 3-digit CVV code, usually found on the back of the card. Make sure that the country region field is set to the country where the gift card was purchased or where you are located. Now, fill in your billing address information. It's important this matches the address associated with the gift card. If the card wasn't registered with an address, use your own. Double-check all the information you've entered to make sure it's correct, then click Save. Your Visa gift card is now added to your Epic Games account. You're ready to buy those games. Have fun gaming.